Scotty, are you having fun yet? No. This has been all day disassemble.
Yeah.
Because
so
it's rusty, crusty, and
yes,
on there forever.
we've hammered and chiseled and hammered.
You like your men hammered and chiseled.
This is true. Well, maybe not quite chiseled, but I don't mind a couple extra pounds.
You like it thick. Anyway.
I've got about 8 more pounds to go and I'll be where I want to be, but that's another story completely.
So.
Ooh, stereo. Damn, we moving up in the world.
Stereo. Anyway.
Video move. No, that's video move the radio star.
Video killed the radio star. Don't you know that song? Come on.
Yes, I do.
You were actually young and with it then. Now you're just crotchety and senile.
Yeah. Who are you again?
What? Where are we at?
What?
Anyway.
So, back end's disassembled.
Yep.
We're waiting on parts so that I can put it back together.
Yep. The no-show bushing.
Okay, great. Not a problem. We can do this. All right. So here we go. So upper ball joint is separated. It's just sitting on the nut.
Yeah, done.
Not
Easy.
a problem. Lower ball joint, if you want to film Mr. Bobby.
Film Mr. Bobby. Yep, I'm filming. Discuss.
It won't come off.
We know.
We've beaten, hammered, chiseled, smacked, flipped it, rubbed it, back seat windows up, and still can't get the fucker off.
Nice.
So we've got to take off the backing plate with the spring or with the brakes. So okay, great, not a problem.
Except it's stucky.
The bolt is stuck.
And it wants to spin.
So we have to go inside, take the drum off, hold the nut. Well, because we're holding the nut, it slipped a couple times and we're starting to round, so we had to stop. So a friend of ours next door is going to make us a new socket real quick.
Cut us one down.
Thin wall that we can put on there.
The legend.
To undo that one. So I'll undo both lowers, reach around. Hopefully we can get those.
You're going to give it a reach around?
I'm going to give it a reach around, yes.
Nice.
We can get all 4 nuts off, pull the backing plate and everything off in one shot. I'll just cut the brake hose. It's not a big deal because we're replacing them anyways.
Yes.
And then we'll figure out why we still can't get that fucker to separate. Because, I've beaten the ever-loving shit out of it. My hands are honestly sore from doing it.
Yeah. Your hands are sore from beating it?
My hands are sore from beating something off. Go fucking figure. I swear.
Life. Every day of his life, I swear. Yes. Anyway, so that's going to get handled. Basically, second verse, same as the first on the other side. So, all right, maybe.
And the inner tie rod is still dangling.
No, we're good there. We'll pop all the steering off. Get that all done. I can put that together as soon as you get that all assembled. And then, or disassembled.
Next time we get a car in that looks similar to this underneath, we're going to pressure wash it before we touch it.
Yeah, well. Oh. Ooh, custom socket. Mr. Sherman's
steps on it. It may crack open. But
Mr. Sherman's custom socket emporium.
You're gonna have to whack it a couple of times to get it home.
I think I can whack it. I'm pretty good at it.
We were just talking about him beating it off, so now he's got to whack it.
There you go.
Chuck's like,
thank you, sir.
yeah, that's.
Hammer right here. Where the hell?
Where are you going? There's 2 hammers here. Oh, he's getting fresh gloves. He's one of them Nancy boys with the gloves.
No, at my age, I'm sick and tired of getting greasy dirty after 36 years of doing this shit.
Does he not know you're older than him? Look at these two.
Is that the world's smallest violin playing fucking?
Are you playing the world's smallest violin?
50 years doing this shit.
So you only got me by a couple of years.
15.
14.
You were still shitting your pants, Scotty.
No, I was probably still jacking off to the Sears catalog.
Oh my god. Did you just?
That popped right on, didn't it?
Yep.
That's beautiful. Wow. Custom Sherman built tool.
Yeah, you wonder why I'm always short tools.
Because you always have to cut them up to make other tools.
Come over here. We got tons of sockets.
I know.
He knows.
Like 5 sets of everything.
He knows where the bin is with the strays.
It's gonna pop off. Don't do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
You were square before on the bolt.
Be smarter, not harder. There you go.
There you go.
It's still a bitch. Yeah, you'd be amazed how... all that dude. It was that thick.
I know.
Oh, horrible.
But it's a Thunderbird.
It is a Thunderbird.
Looked like it was a good show.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Definitely.
I'm happy for him.
Especially like Tom's ecstatic.
Yeah, he won.
Javelin.
What was it? Best in, what was it?
Best interior.
Actually, well, that's hot.
Yeah, that's gonna be hot. Yeah, best interior, and
Yeah.
won his class.
Yeah.
I love that car. I hated that car for a little bit, but I love it now.
I don't like that car. It doesn't do anything for me.
No. It's kind of fun to drive though. All right, I gotta get the other one.
I think that one came out pretty good, if I remember right.
Oh yeah, that one's clean.
Well, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I greatly appreciate that.
Oh, I got that pulse running steady below 200.